I'm Sue Armstrong and I'm the Programme Leader for Electronic and Electrical Engineering. So the name of the workshop is Introduction to Automation, and it's all about getting students to see the basics of how we control typical things in a factory such as conveyor belts, lights, alarms and things like that with using industrial computers. The first thing that they'll learn is what one of these industrial computers looks like, and we call them programmable logic controllers, and an introduction to the software where we program them. They'll be able to download a basic program that will stop and start a motor on a conveyor belt and then build in some timers and some counters to make it a bit more complex. We deliver this type of module right across every engineering discipline because the feedback from employers is that they want mechanical engineers and all engineers to be comfortable with plugging a laptop in, say if a factory shuts down unexpectedly. For electrical and electronic engineers, they tend to do more of the design of the electronics and the programming of all the sensors, actuators and things like that. So it's a good skill to have, and you can work in any industry from the oil and gas industry to pharmaceutical to even doing building systems and things like that. It's very hands-on, it's fun because the equipment makes a lot of noise, but it is realistic of what you would do as an engineer in industry.